Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, rain sensing wipers, remote vehicle start, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.